Today I'll show you how to find and delete duplicate data in Microsoft Excel. First, select the row or column you want to find a duplicate value for. Select the row or column. Then go to Conditional Formatting. Click for Conditional Formatting. Click the highlighted cells rules. Click on the duplicate values. Choose the colors of the text. Then click OK. As you can see, duplicate text is highlighted. Now I will show you how to delete duplicate data. Select the row or column. Click Data. Click to remove duplicates. Choose to continue with the current selection. Then click Remove Duplicate. Click OK. You can see your duplicate data is deleted. Like this, you can find and delete duplicate data. If you like my videos, do like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.